Condom. Hello everyone, my name is Kimi from Half Toner Institute. Today we're going to learn cosmetic and beauty and self-care products in Turkish. Follow me. We have perfume. Perfume. Men perfume. It's perfume in Turkish is kind of similar. It's parfüm. Parfüm. Men is erkek. Erkek. So men perfume is erkek parfüm. It's kind of same like in English. Perfume, parfüm. So a toothpaste. In Turkish we call it diş macunu. Diş macunu. A toothpaste. And what else? So this is a lotion for cleaning your makeup. So if you're looking for a makeup remover, you're gonna have to say makyaj temizleyici. Makyaj is makeup. Makeup is makyaj. And remover is temizleyici. Makyaj temizleyici. Okay. What else? Another makyaj temizleyici. For sensitive skin. Sensitive is hassas. As you can see. Hassas, makyaj temizleyici. Oh, and wet wipes. We call them ıslak mendil. Islak is wet, mendil is tissues. So in combination we call them ıslak mendil. We got lots of creams. This is a face cream. Face is yüz. As you can see, it's yüz. Yüz krem. Face cream is yüz krem. We're gonna go through body parts and facial parts later in another video, but for now, another yüz krem. Yüz krem. Yüz kremi. Thank you. Shampoos, what we call in Turkish, it's kind of similar to its English. Shampoo is şampuan. Şampuan. That's easy. We have şampuan for women. Women is kadın. Kadın şampuanı. Kadın şampuanı for men is erkek şampuan. Erkek is man for men. Erkek şampuan. It's easy, right? Okay. And oh, we got baby shampoos. Bebek şampuan. Baby is bebek. Bebek şampuan. Okay. And oh, baby oil. Baby oil. Baby is bebek. Bebek yağ. It's a little bit difficult. This word can be a little bit tricky, but listen to me carefully. Yağ. Oil is yağ. Bebek yağ. Okay. What else? Remember about face creams? So now we have face masks. Face was yüz. Yüz maskesi. Mask is maske. Kind of same, right? Yüz maskesi. Okay. Lots of face masks here. And oh, we have tarak. Brush in Turkish is tarak. Tarak. By the way, if you're vegan or vegetarian and looking for vegan products, you can find them all here in the vegan section. We have vegan kremi. Vegan is also vegan in Turkish. So if you're looking for any kind kind of vegan products, you have to ask for example, it's a hair color. Hair is saç. Saç. And color is boya. Boya. Saç boyası. Saç boyası. Vegan saç boyası. Not this one, by the way. These ones are vegans. Yeah. Not vegans. Okay. Okay. Vegans. Vegan saç boyası. What? This one's not vegan too? No, it's vegan. Another. Vegan saç boyası. Vegan saç boyası. Thank you. Okay. Get. Oh. This is a shower gel, okay? So shower gel, shower we call douche, like in French, right? Douche jeli, shower gel, douche jeli. All of these are douche jeli. A shower gel is douche jeli, as we said. Shower is douche, like in French, right? Shower gel is douche douche jeli. Or a body shampoo, we call it vücut. Body is vücut. Vücut şampuanı, like hair shampoo. Saç şampuanı, vücut şampuanı. Or just call it douche jeli. Okay. Oh. Soap. Soaps are called sabun. Soap is sabun. Sabun. A liquid soap is sıvı sabun. But you can also find them in this form. All of them are sabun. Okay. Yeah. So we learned about shampoos. What was shampoo? Shampoo. Now we have a conditioner here, okay? So if you're looking for a conditioner in Turkey, you have to say nemlendirici. A little bit long, right? But don't worry. Nemlendirici. Nemlendirici, conditioner. Shampoo, nemlendirici. They can be mixed sometimes, but anyway. And come with me. What else? Oh, another hair oil. Saç was hair, right? Saç yağı. Yağ is oil. Okay. And valiz. It's not a cosmetic or hair product or self-care product, but anyway, a suitcase is valiz. Don't forget that. And okay, let's go. Bad idea. Sponge, like shower sponge or something is sponge in Turkish is sünger. Sünger. Oh, SpongeBob. Sünger Bob. And başka. Başka. What else? Başka. What else? Başka? If you're wondering, these are cotton pads, right? Pamuk pedi. Pamuk is cotton. Pamuk pedi. Let's go. Kondom. Well, and we have, oh, toothbrushes. Okay, toothbrush. Let's listen to it part by part. Tooth is dish. Dish. Teeth or tooth, whatever. Both of them are dish. And brush is fırça. Diş fırçası. Diş fırçası. And my favorite part, makeup products and stuff. So whatever you need to know about makeup products, I mean not the brands, but for example, let's start from here. A nail polish is so simple. Oje. Oje. Again, nail polish is oje. A mascara. Mascara is rimel. 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 Mascara. Rimel. They also can call it mascara sometimes, which is close to its English version, but in Turkish they call it rimel. Okay. And oh, this is a mascara for eyebrows, so same logic. Eyebrow is kaş. Eyebrows, they call it kaş. So kaş rimel. Mascara is rimel. Kaş rimeli. Kaş rimeli. What else? Oh, now all kinds of pencils and pens are called kalem. In Turkish, we call a pencil kalem. So no matter if it's for your lips or for your eyes, you can add kalem to the face part. For example, eye is göz. Eye is göz. Göz kalemi. Göz kalemi. If it's for your lips, oh, yeah, göz kalemi, dudak kalemi. Lips was dudak. Lip is dudak. Dudak kalemi. Göz kalemi, dudak kalemi. Yeah, let's continue. Okay, and if you're on your Women's Day and stuck in Turkey and don't know what to say, they're called pet. You can just ask for a pet. Not pet, like in English, but in Turkish you're gonna have to say pet. So guys, back to the cosmetics. Foundations. Face foundations are, again, kind of similar to the English. In Turkish we call it fondöten. Foundation is fondöten. 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 Lipsticks, my favorites. Lipsticks in Turkish is rouge. Rouge. So easy, right? Rouge. Kırmızı rouge. Red lipstick. Kırmızı rouge. We're gonna learn colors in another video, but lipstick is rouge. Oh, eyeshadows. Eyeshadow. Let me grab an eyeshadow palette. Yeah, so eyeshadows in Turkish we call them far. Far. F-A-R. Far. Eye is göz. Göz farı. Like we have eyeshadows for somewhere else? No. So far. Lip balms, dudak kremi, lip balm. This is a lip balm. So this is an avocado lip balm. Oh. Avocado is avocado in Turkish. Lip is dudak. Balm, in general, they call it krem. They call everything krem, you know? Okay, so dudak kremi. This one's for women. This one's for women. So A women perfume is kadın parfümü. Women is kadın. Kadın parfümü. Let's go. Oh, if you're in urgent need of shave and looking for razor blades, you need to say Gillette. I know it's the name of the brand, but in Turkey they use it as its name. So they call razor blades Gillette. Ooh, hair clips. Hair clips in Turkish are saç tokası. Hair is saç. Saç tokası. And let's continue. Oh, nail clipper. Okay, so a nail clipper is tırnak makası. Makas in Turkish is like scissors, so it's like the translation would be scissors for nails. So let's learn nails together. Tırnak. Tırnak, and scissor would be makas. They use this together as tırnak makası. Tırnak makası. Makas, makas is scissors. Scissors in any kind are called makas. Makas for nails would be tırnak makası, and this would be, for example, kaş makası. Kaş, eyebrows, you remember? Kaş makası. Oh. Ooh, lashes. Eyelashes, fake eyelashes. Eyelashes are kirpik. Eyelashes, in Turkish we call it kirpik. Kirpik. Fake lashes would be sahte kirpik. Fake is sahte. Sahte. Sahte kirpik. Deodorants. They're kind of similar also in Turkish. They call it deodorant. Deodorant. All kinds of deodorants are deodorant. And also in form of spray. Spray is also spray. Spray. Spray, they call it spray. Deodorants, like soap deodorants, would be sabunlu deodorant. Sabun is soap. Sabunlu deodorant. Or spray deodorant. Okay.